now I'm finished as install to the wall. That's the sconce to the wall. And now I'm using this plug, smart plug. So I can control using just using my voice via Google Home, which is I have my Google Home here. So I will hook up the plug, the sconce plug to this smart plug. All right, see you in a bit. So guys, I'm finished install this one. I have bought 3, so means I have 2 more to install to the wall right here. One more is up here, and the other one's in my room, in the master room. So let's ask Google to open it, the light for us. Hey Google, turns on frame lights.
Okay, turning on the frame lights.
Yay! So this is the light. It's quite small. I don't know, maybe. So I just leave it for here for today. Maybe I'll do the other installation another day. You know, we still have tomorrow, right? So that's it for today. All right. Let's ask Google to turn it off. Okay, Google, turns off frame lights.
Sure, turning off the frame lights.
All right. I guess the missions today is success. So bye for now. Hi guys, this is another day, and I guess this is the final update. I already installed the sconce, the picture sconce up there today, and I have another one. Maybe I'm going to install in my rooms, but I don't know. I'm not decided yet where I want to put the other ones. So I guess we'll stop right here. So this is the second sconce. That one's the first I put above the mirror, and this the last one. And I already hooked up to Google. Okay, let's test it. Hey Google, turns on picture lights.
Turning on the picture lights.
All right, that's it, you guys. Maybe I'm going to tidy up the wire. I guess you can see the wire running down because the plug is down the table. So I'm going to tidy it up another day. So that's it, guys. Bye.